How's it going? I'm gonna do a video today. It's been a while, but I figured I'll make one of this little job I've got. I'm gonna bring the forestry mulcher in here, and we're gonna clean this area up real good. This used to be a shooting range. They had a lot of metal targets. We've already got them took up, but we're gonna clean this all up, make it look good again and usable. A lot of storm damage over there and back in there. We're going to make this a nice little shooting range. So bear with me and we're going to get started. Alright, so I got, a little bit done. It took me about a half an hour to do this right here. I've still got plenty more to do. Just kind of taking a short little break and looking at what else needs to be done. I'm going to go and take this out right here. This used to be like a little spot where they hung up 3 gongs here to shoot at, but these are pretty rotted. They need to come out. There's a big old tree right here that's fallen down. I've taken the stump out. Got it about flush with the ground, but this sucker's big right here. So what I'll probably end up having to do is get the chainsaw, cut that in a couple pieces, take the grapple and pile it up somewhere, maybe over here in the back. Be something they can shoot at over there too. But cleaning up a bunch of dead stuff. There's a bunch of tops fell down and was rotted and here on the ground needing to be mulched up. So I'm going to continue doing what I'm doing here. Just kind of wanted to show you where I'm at and what we're doing. So alright, well, I'll be back with you in a second. Alright, well, we've got some work done. Got about 6 hours into it. So, that's what she looks like. Got it all opened up in here now. There's an old tree stand right there. Old wooden one. I wouldn't want to climb it now, but that thing's been there a while. There used to be a picnic table sit right here. Mulcher made light work of it though. It was all rotted. Pretty bad shape. So anyway, so it's opened up in here. We can either put another shooting range in here, or what I would prefer is have a logger come in here and take some of these bigger trees, open up the canopy a little more, put some more sunlight right here, maybe put a little small food plot. But it's turned out pretty good. There was a lot of dead in here. Had some pretty bad storms. Come knock some trees down, some tops out. But that's pretty much what it looked like all the way through here, right there. I've opened up at least an acre. I got about 6, maybe 7 hours in this. So anyway, if you're looking for any forestry mulching, land clearing, I also do trench work with the skid steer as well. I do it for electric lines and water lines. Also repair and install driveways. I've got a Harley rake and I'm able to come in, clean up your driveways, install driveways if needed. So if you need any work done, give us a call.